Another fun, easy Dollar Tree DIY that you can do for Labor Day, 4th of July, Memorial Day. All right, so I have this block, this set of Jenga blocks, and I'm just gonna take them, I'm gonna double stack them. So I'm gonna take and put one on top of each other. I'm gonna do a row of 10, a row of 8, and then a row of 6, and then just another row on top of that. So I'm just setting them all up so that I have enough for what I'm doing. If you want it thicker, you can go thicker with these. You can use wood glue with these, but you'll have to wait a while for it to dry. So because I'm using hot glue, this is something that you want to use indoors. You don't want to use it outdoors. But I'm just going to glue them together, make sure it's lined up nice and even because you don't want it to look, too wonky. Once that dried, then I'm just going to stack the other row right on top of it and glue that on there. So you can glue it together and then you can glue on top of each other one, just like I did the other set to make sure everything is together nice and even. And like I said, you can use another type of glue, especially if you want to use this outside, but this is small. So this is more like table decor than like porch decor. So once I have all of my sets together, I'm just going to paint them. So I'm going to paint the smallest one blue, the middle size one red, and the largest one white. I'm going to get all the sides, the front, the back, the sides, the top. I'm just going to cover everything. I'm just doing one coat with mine. You can do more coats if you want a more solid look, but I like to have like a little distressed look. And I think like the patriotic pieces, I think they look really nice when they have that distressing to them. So once I was done with the white one, and like I said, the front, the back, the sides, the crack, only part I didn't paint was the bottom. I went on to the other one and I did that one red, the same one coat and the same one coat on the blue. And then I have these pack of stars from Dollar Tree. So they have these little nice little wood pieces they cut out with like the lasers. So I'm just going to take one of each of the designs and I'm going to paint them one blue, one red, and one white to go along with the blocks that I have. Once that dried, then I'm just going to hot glue them on top in the front of the Jenga block. So just different colors mixing. You can put the same color, but it'll kind of blend in if you do it that way. So I'm just mixing up the colors. So I put the white one on the blue one on the red one, and the red one on the white one. But you can jazz this up all kind of different ways. You can do stencils. You can do all kind of different things. I'm going to wrap the white one with a little bow of twine. You can wrap them all with this. You can do just a bunch of different things. And then I'm just figuring out how I want to lay them. Um, and then I was going to wrap around just like in a bundle, like you see the little firecracker things, but I didn't like the way it was laying with that. So I didn't do that. But I am going to add, because they're like firecrackers, this rope. So the nautical rope from Dollar Tree, it comes and then it's like 3 strands. So I'm just taking those strands, I separated them and then separated them again so that they kind of have like that firecracker look, and just hot glued it to there. Made sure I placed it around so that it'll stand up nice and straight. And so I did one for each of them. You can do these in the same size. You can do these in different sizes. Just let that dry. And it's just real fun, real easy, real simple. And then I decided to wrap the twine around each one individually at the bottom. So make sure you follow along for more DIYs. That's So Trendy DIY. Follow here, follow on YouTube, and I will see you in the next one.